Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you fix your MSI monitor menu button not working. So here's a guide to lock or unlock your OSD and button reset. Fix 1. Unlock the OSD menu. Turn off the monitor, press and hold the menu or navi button. While holding the button, turn the monitor on. Wait for the screen to appear, then release the button. Check if the menu works. Fix 2. Turn off your HDR. Right-click on your desktop, select Display Settings, click on HDR, turn Use HDR off, try using the monitor menu again. Fix 3. Change game mode. Open the monitor menu, go to Gaming or Professional, change game mode to User or Standard. Save the setting and test the menu. Fix 4. Reset the monitor. Open the monitor menu, go to Settings, select Reset. Choose Yes to confirm. Wait for the monitor to restart. Pitch 5. Use MSI software. You can download and install the MSI Gaming OSD app. Open the app on your PC. Use the app to adjust monitor settings. Change brightness, colors, and inputs without using the monitor button. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.